Hi, we are here today because I just got this new strobe flash for my little home studio and I want to do an unboxing. I just received this box today, put it in the car, and now that I reach home I'm going to open to see what it is. The one that we bought is the Neewer S300N. We are going to see how it looks, because when I was trying to purchase it, I was searching to see how it looked and I couldn't find any videos. So now that's why I want to do that for you. First thing I find here is the power cable. I'm going to put it right here. This is the manual. It's a manual right here. Let me see. And the most important thing is here, the unit. Wow, this thing is bigger than what I was thinking. It's a Neewer S300N. It's a professional photo system. So this is how it looks. Wow. It's bigger because the other ones that I have are smaller. It also comes here with, this is a sync cable. This is when you use your triggers, you can plug it in here, put your trigger right here, the receiver, so that you can trigger this head with remote. Let me see what else. More? Just plastic. A little card. And here I see is the modeling light. It must be. Okay, this is the bulb. The modeling light is telling me that it's 150 watts. Wow, this little thing? Well, this is another thing. So let me see, I don't see, there is no more. So let me put this there. So this is the head unit. This is to mount it in the stand. It's a little heavy, this thing. Wow. It was saying, in my box was saying that it's 8 pounds. So it's a little heavy. Wow. I need to put this into work. Let me see. To open this unit, you have a little pin right here. So, yeah, we have to push it this way and turn right here. So right here is the flash. I guess we put the modeling light here. Bam. Wow. This thing cannot, let's see. Oh, just realize, if the modeling light is here, this thing is not going to close. It's not going to close because this seems to be smaller. So it cannot close. So I guess that we will have to remove this modeling light if we are going to put the cover here. That's not good. Nah. So I mean that I have to be removing this thing all the time if I'm going to transport this unit. Well, so the only things that are coming here, this unit, cover, power cable, and this one is to synchronize the trigger so it can be triggered remotely. This is all at the back. Let me go on and show you close. Ooh, I have a lot of things to move. All right, let me show you closer. This is the back of this unit. So the power will be here. I'm sorry, I don't have where to plug it right now, but I'm going to show you when I am going to use it and take some pictures probably and show you how it works. You have the test here, test button. This is to when you plug it in and you want to see if it's working, you just press it. The cell, this is to activate here the sensor so it can be triggered with other flashes. Here the audio that will create a little beep when the flash is ready. And this thing is the mode here that will be to turn on and off the modeling light. Well, here the power thing, and here to put the cable to put the remote as well. So you see here is the Neewer S300N. This is the front, and this is the bottom. So this part goes to the your stand, and it will secure right here. Let me see, this thing has 4 umbrellas. Yeah, this hole right here is to put the umbrella right here. Let's see if it's on focus. Yeah, to put the umbrellas. So let's see how this thing works. I'm going to try it because I especially bought this thing because I had to do some photo shoots this week, and I only have 2 units already by Neewer as well, but it's not one like this. They are a little bit smaller, and I needed a third one just to be able to illuminate my background, so that's why I got a third one. So let's hope that this one works okay, and I'm going to show you when it's working to tell you exactly how this thing works. So thanks for watching, and thanks for spending your time here. I hope that this was helpful to you, because really when I was going to buy this I couldn't find any videos, so I didn't know how it was going to look, how it was going to be. So that's why I'm saying it's bigger than I was expecting. I was expecting that was a little bit smaller, but I'm happy that they have this side. It looks professional, and all this construction is metal, so it's not bad. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.